Welcome to Pi International Education and to another GRE e-learning tip and trick video. Now, in this video, we will be learning a little bit about your verbal reasoning section of your GRE exam. Now, one very challenging point about your GRE exam, especially for students who are not from an English-speaking background, is the vocabulary that they have to face, right, in your GRE exam. I mean, this is one of the toughest things when they're dealing with the verbal reasoning section. They have to remember a lot of very sophisticated and different words that they may never have used or seen before. Now, one way in which a lot of people try to practice or learn these words is by memorizing the meaning of each word, right? So this particular technique for learning new words is fine, is average, but the problem when it comes to utilizing these words or understanding these words in your exam is that unless you understand how the word is used in a particular sentence, that means unless you understand the context of how to use a word in a sentence, you probably won't remember the meaning that well. So one very important tip that you should probably practice from right now if you're preparing for GRE is to make sure that when you're learning new words, you learn the words through using them in sentences. Now, what this means is I'm not asking you to use that word every day, right? A lot of people say that when you learn something new, you should try to utilize it in your daily life. But the GRE has many words, so it's not possible to do that every single time. So another way in which you could do this, which probably is a little bit more practical, is to make sure that when you are studying the meaning of a word, you actually study the word through an entire sentence. So make sure that the word is part of a sentence and you remember that particular sentence. This will help you attach the meaning of the word to the way it is used in a sentence, and it'll help you recall the meaning when you see it in your GRE exam. I hope you have understood what we've learned in this tip and trick video. Stay tuned for more.